Kia ora! Welcome to the second lesson in Possessives. Today we're going to learn to say yours and his or hers. The word for yours when you're talking to one person can be tāu or tōu, depending on the category. And if we're talking about more than one thing, we drop the T. Au, o, tāu kai, your food. Au hamupeka, your hamburgers. Food belongs in the A category. Tōu pahi, your bus. O pahikara, your bikes. Transport belongs in the O category. The word for his or hers can be tāna or tōna, depending on the category. And if we're talking about more than one thing, we drop the T. Ana, ona, tāna rorohiko, her computer. Ana puka puka, her books. Property that you can pick up belongs to the A category. Tōna ihu, her nose. Ona ringa ringa, her hands. Parts of the body belong to the O category. Let's practice. Rōpere means strawberry. What is the correct possessive for her strawberries? Ana rōpere. Food belongs in the A category, and ana means his or hers. Kanohi means face. What is the correct possessive for your face? Tōu kanohi. Parts of the body belong in the O category, and tōu means yours. Very good. Now you know the words for yours and his or hers. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to say ours, theirs, and yours when more than one person is the owner. Ka kite!